Pranayam, the art of breathing. Kundalini Pranayam is the yogic process of consciously creating and sustaining a definite ascending and descending flow of cosmic prana through the cerebro-spinal channel. The Sanskrit word pranayam is usually translated as the science of breath. Pranayam literally means the ayamsa, expansion or manifestation, of prana, first unit, na, energy. Prana is the vital energy of the universe. The mind is a wall between the spiritual growth and reality. Higher energies of prana need to be attuned and the mind must be controlled. Prana is connected to you with a silver cord. This cord, reined in with breathing exercises, controls the mind. To achieve the higher rungs of spirituality, prana must be controlled. Controlling the breath and prana control the mind. The science of pranayam, connected with the autonomic nervous system and brings its functions under conscious control through the functioning of the lung. Yoga science explains that the control of prana is the regulation of inhalation and exhalation. By eliminating the pause between inhalation and exhalation or expanding it by retention. With regulating the motion of the lungs, the heart and the vagus nerve are controlled. The autonomic nervous system regulates these processes in our bodies. The autonomic nervous system is divided into the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous systems. These two subsystems work in opposition to each other, yet there is harmonious order. The sympathetic nervous system has ganglia, or nerve cell clusters, arranged on either side of the spinal column. Conscious control over our involuntary nervous system is by practicing breathing exercises and understanding the various channels of prana. The heart function is regulated by the motion of the lungs. Then the right vagus nerve is brought under conscious control, and that portion of the mind that coordinates with the involuntary system is accessible. If you are strong-willed, then that is the other way of gaining control over the autonomic nervous system. The more the mind is dissipated, the more the will is scattered. When the mind is made one-pointed, it strengthens the willpower, and the willpower helps the autonomic nervous system functions to perform as one want. The junctions of Ida, Pingala and Sushumna along the spinal column are called chakras, or wheels. And just as the spokes of a wheel radiate outward from the central hub, so do the other nadis radiate outward from the chakras to other parts of the body. In other words, the chakras are junctions of other nadis with the three main nadis, Sushumna, Ida and Pingala.